This is Station Log, my final project for CS50P 2024. Station Log is a Python-based command line app designed to manage your own database of radio stations and, more interestingly, analyze recorded audio from these radio stations to identify the songs they play. To print a list of radio stations in the database, use the command line argument --printstations. To add a station to the database, use --addstation and follow the UI flow. To edit a station in the database, use --editstation. To delete a station from the database, use --deletestation. And now to the arguably more interesting stuff. Let's see if we can find out which song is currently playing on Radio 538 in the Netherlands. To do that, the app uses the Python package shazamio. We use -a for analyze followed by nowplaying, then -s and 538 for the station. And here we can see that Radio 538 is currently playing Sabrina Carpenter Espresso. And here comes the really cool part. First, a bit of background info. On my server, I am continuously archiving the audio of a bunch of radio stations. With Station Log, I can analyze the latest hour to get a full list of songs played in that hour, complete with timestamps for when the songs were played. The audio is cleverly split into chunks with the help of PyDub and then sent to shazamio. Let's try that. -a, prev hour, -s, and let's try another station, Magic, in the UK. Now the cool part is that the app respects the station's time zone, so even if Magic in the UK is 1 hour behind me here in Denmark, with the help of the Python package pytz, the app still knows which file is the correct one to get the latest hour. And here we have the complete list of songs played by Magic in the previous hour, and as a bonus we get the output as a CSV file as well. As an additional bonus, the app also continuously writes a CSV database with extended information of all songs that has been analyzed. That's a lot. My name is Elias Krause, and this was Station Log.